If you've ever streamed on Twitch, then you know that while an overlay is not essential, it can certainly help keep your audience engaged and interested in the content that you're presenting. The only downside is that usually the free overlays that you're going to find on services like Streamlabs OBS and Googling are usually not that great. So today I'm going to see if we can rectify that issue by paying 3 different Fiverr artists to design Twitch overlays for me that I will actually use on stream. Okay, so we're going to start by looking for a very low tier, very cheap stream package, something that is very budget and very affordable. It's going to be a webcam overlay, offline screen, and unlimited panels. So it's just one screen. That's not bad. And I do like the designs that they have. What does he need? Okay, so I'm okay with this. This should be a pretty good low tier budget affordable option. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so to try to keep the playing field level, I'm going to try to give everybody the exact same instructions. So from the $5 option that we're looking at now to whatever the highest dollar option I pick, we're going to keep everything consistent to see what we get. All right, let's copy all this over so we have it for the next one. So I'm looking somewhere in the range of $20 to $30. One banner, starting soon, be right back offline, one face cam overlay, one game overlay, 10 Twitch panels. For 40? That seems like a steal. All right, let's fill this out. Sweet. Okay, one more. We're looking for like a really just a complete baller full package. King Kong complete animated stream graphics package. I think we might go with it. Overlay top, overlay bottom, buttons and panels, 7 alerts, face cam, offline screen, starting screen, be right back screen, Twitch banner, profile picture. I like it. I do. With more than 5 years of experience. I don't understand why you don't just put 5, but okay. Yeah, I guess let's go with this one. I like this one. So we have all 3, the cheap, the medium range, and the really expensive one done. All right, so from here, all I really have to do is wait for everything to come back in through the magic of editing. We're here. I'm really excited to get to look at all 3 of these, so let's get into it. So this is stream package number 1. I'm very impressed. For $5, it's not animated. You know, there's not a whole lot of crazy out there things on it, but it does look really good. I asked them specifically to use blue and black as the primary colors, and they've done exactly that with this sort of electric feel to it. And I think for a minimalist design, it's top notch. It looks very professional, and it's definitely something that I would feel 100% okay with putting on my stream. In total, for this overlay package, we have 7 different panels. We have 3 different screens, and then we have a camera overlay for $5. I have to say, I am shocked that just in general, it would be this cheap. But not only that, they are personalized to me, and they look really good. For a budget option, I think this is a fantastic value for the money that you're gonna spend. Very well done. All right, so this is number 2. For this one, we have 7 panels, 3 different screens. We have the top bar, the game overlay, and then we also have the camera overlay. I really like certain things about this one. I like the fact that they used a really nice font. I like the gradients that they used in the colors, and I really like that they included a darker blue rather than just a light blue like the last one. There are a few things I don't like as much. The camera overlay is fine. It's a little bulky for what I like though. I don't necessarily love that it takes up all of this space, whereas it could be a little bit more minimalist, which is what I asked for. Second thing I don't like, these little arrows up in the top corner. I know you're trying to throw something extra in there. I don't know what the plus signs do for it though. I also don't necessarily love the fact that it's carried over to, every single panel that I have from this artist. I also don't necessarily love the little amount of space that I have up here at the top for putting anyone's name for a recent follower or a recent donation. I would have liked to have a little bit more room up here for that, just solely because I don't think I could actually fit anyone's name in there. And because of that, I don't know if I'd even be able to use that or what value that would have for my stream. Overall though, I do like the general aesthetic. I really like what they've done. And in total for this, there are just little things here and there that I would have probably done a little bit differently had I been doing it myself. Having said that, I'm not a graphics designer, nor am I in any way claiming to be a professional. I'm simply giving my opinions on the product that I purchased. Now, this pack did cost $40, and I will say, overall, I don't know if I really got my money's worth just based on the fact that the pack before it, the overlay that I bought for $5, gave me almost just as much. Last but not least, we have the high tier, really expensive $120 overlay pack. Within 24 hours of buying this overlay pack, I got a message from the seller saying that they needed some sort of logo to use for all of the animations and for all the graphics design stuff. So instead, they offered to create me a logo in addition to the actual like Twitch overlay. Upside, I got a logo out of this. Downside, it cost me $35 more. So in total, this whole package ended up costing me $155. So as a high tier alternative, keep in mind this is very, very high tier. Having said that, I got quite a lot for it. So this is the logo they created for me, and I do like it. I think it's pretty neat. I've never really had an animated picture of myself, so I don't really know if I actually look that weird or maybe it's just my opinion. Overall, though, I do think it's neat, and I appreciate the fact that they also offered this service, so I didn't have to go try to scrounge up some logo that I did not have at the time. So you'll see that logo used a lot throughout this video that they created for the entirety of all of the different things that I got for this Twitch package. I really like the alerts that they created for me. They look really cool. I like how it all includes the same logo, so it looks like a single cohesive pack. The other thing I really like is this lightning that they do right here. The reason I like it is because it's minimal. It's very small. It doesn't take up too much room on my screen, but it does add that sort of animated flair to everything. These screens use the exact same concept. It's very, very neat. Overall, I mean, sure, yes, I paid a whole lot of money for this Twitch overlay, but I think they did a very, very, very good job at implementing this in a way that is both effective, minimal, and fits the exact desires that I had for this Twitch overlay. So as you saw, it doesn't really matter how much money you pay an artist on Fiverr. All three of these people delivered very, very good Twitch overlay packages that, depending on how hardcore I want to go, you know, I can spend as little as $5 or as much as $150 and really get what I'm paying for on any level. Now, just like last time with the logos, I'm gonna post this video and then put up a Twitter poll directly after, asking which Twitch overlay you liked the most. Whichever one gets the most votes on that Twitter poll, I will change to my Twitch overlay and we'll use it for the foreseeable future. If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely check out this one where I do the exact same thing, only with logo artists on Fiverr.